Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a barbell push press. So when we do this exercise, I want you to make sure that you start with your feet directly below your hips. And we always want to make sure that we have a really tight core. And when we load up, when we do our dip before we push and press, the dip is going to be in the knees. So our back is going to stay straight upright. It's not this deep squat. It's literally a tiny dip to load up the hamstrings and the glutes so you can press up. With a lot, it's very dynamic. I'm out of breath just doing a couple of those. And the reason that we do this is because when you press overhead a whole bunch of times, it's all shoulders and your shoulders get really tired. So the natural thing that people do is use their legs. But we're going to do this intentionally. So we want to start with our barbell in the front rack position. Our shoulders are here, our shoulders are protruding forward, so they're actually, like the barbell is resting on my shoulders here. So I have to push my shoulders forward in order to get into this position. Our thumbs are wrapped completely around the barbell, and my core is super tight. I'm pulling everything in through my midline. So we're going to take that tiny dip in the knees, keeping our back straight, keeping our back upright, and then we're going to, that's going to load us up so we can drive and lock out overhead with our biceps by our ears. Bring the head out of the way to bring the barbell back down to the shoulders. And again, tiny dip and drive. When I do that drive, I squeeze my glutes, I squeeze my quads, and my abs are still tight here. Bring it back down, dip and drive, and that is our barbell push press.